In this video I just wanted to review this new charging cable that I've just bought. So it's 1 meter in length, and it's for your Apple iWatch or Apple Watch, and then it's got the lightning connection, so for your iPhone or the older style iPads. As you can see, it's just got one USB-A connection, and then you've got an adapter so you can charge both at the same time, your watch and your iPad or your phone, iPhone as well at the same time. There's not much information on the box. It just says you about here. It doesn't come with an adapter, but to be honest, most people have USB adapters now. You've got a magnetic charging cable, so what they're referring to, the magnetic part, is for the Apple Watch, and so you can see there you can charge both at the same time. Let's get this open and see what else is inside. As usual, you've got the certification, and you don't really need instructions, I presume, for something like this. So put that to one side. You've got the cable here, so as you can see, this is your plugged into your adapter. And then you have your connection there. Again, the packaging is, it's just for the price and everything else, it's okay. There's nothing wrong with it. It protects it when it's in shipping. You've got the plastic protection, and as I said, it's 1 meter in length, so you've got plenty of length here. So as you can see, the connection. I must say that the wires are quite good. Don't feel flimsy, and it's got extra protection here for the bending and everything else. As we know, it's probably prone to bending, but it seems quite firm, and the connection and everything else. And it's probably a bit lighter than the original one, but again, and this feels quite strong. And then you've got the cable that goes all the way to your adapter. So I'm just using an Anchor adapter here. It's got a quick charge 3. So this one has an output up to the maximum of 9 to 12 volts or 1.5 amps. So this should be plenty to charge both. So I'll just plug that in. So let's see if we can get a charge out of this. So start with the Apple Watch, and again, it's quite, and this one's supposed to be magnetic. So as we can see, it does magnetize, and it's charging. So yeah, so that at least that works. And again, it's, as you can hear, it has got a magnet there, so it does connect quite securely. It is, not super secure, but again, the magnet's there for it to charge. And then at the same time, I think my iPhone 6s has got 0 battery on it, so it's charging. So as you can see, you can charge both items at the same time, and it's just starting up now. And you can see here it's charging here as well on my iWatch at the same time. It doesn't give any on the instructions. It doesn't state here anything about the output, and when I bought it I couldn't see anything about the output as well. So you can see here there's nothing there to say what the output is, so if it can, what the power is, but you can see there's charging both at the same time. And I think as long as you use a charger, the adapter that you plug it into, I think then you'll be fine. So yeah, this has just been a quick review of this magnetic charging cable. It's got the multi adapter for your lightning and for your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful.